y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're out in the desert. That is actually Q Mountain out to the left. Out here running around early morning. Sun's trying to come up. Got a few clouds. Really fun having the old dusty Nugget out too. Anyway, we're going to go up and check out this old mine real quick. I've been up here a few times. It's a perfect place to get some pictures. We'll see how full the desert looks too from up here. Can you imagine back in the day, this was an active mine? A couple of them back in here. Even still have the old power lines running up to it. But they dug in these hillsides. You can see quartz veins all over these hills here. Chunks of quartz laying around. Now they're just all abandoned. Oh, got a hiker up here. Alright, well, let's get up top, get parked. Check this thing out. Think there's any ghost around here? Old structures. So you can see way out. See the entire town from up here. Plus the deserts. People come out here all the time hiking and four-wheeling. That old timber, it's still going. Not sure when these were active. Then on the backside over here, that's out towards like Rainbow Acres and all that. Pretty cool. There's the old dusty Nugget getting dusty. Have my morning cup of coffee in my RVerTV stainless mug. Yay! If you're in this area, get a chance, come out here. Desert's wide open. There you can really see that structure. Pretty dilapidated. They mined right down in these hills right here. Pretty cool. There's the backside of Q Mountain. Got trails going up top. A lot of groups that keep the flag going up top. That thing is pretty wind whipped. Get up a little higher. Now you can see the town. There you go. What a view, huh? Interstate 10 way out there. One busy highway. That's actually the community of Q Mountain right there. Straight off, there's Tyson Wells. That's where the big tent will be. Now you can see right down below us, that's what, La Posa West. Then north, I see quite a few trailers. Then way out that direction is La Posa South and Tyson Wash. All LTVAs. Then way out, that's Rainbow Acres. And you can take trails all the way out there and go through these little mountains. Just a picture perfect place. That's actually a pipeline road down through there, a gas pipe. let's head on in town. I got an appointment with old Blake, Miners Depot. He's gonna show us a big chunk of gold he found up in Alaska this summer. It's supposed to be pretty impressive, so we gotta check that out. There's that trail that goes up towards Q Mountain from the backside. It's not a bad little hike. I've done it. Okay, let's go. Make some dust. Perfect weather. It's been like in the 80s in the afternoons, 50s at night. Perfect sleeping. There's that other abandoned mine there on the left. But you see remnants of mining all over this area. Just absolutely everywhere. So we're going to end up right in the backside of Q Mountain community. This is like a big, they're all deeded lots. You own your own lot. There's a couple RV parks back in here. They got a homeowners association, their own water system. It's its own little community. Some of these places have been back here a long time. You always see stuff back in here for sale. If you're interested in a lot for like the winter time, a lot of people like staying in here because you can either RV it or put a park model on these. Look at that guy with the cool cover right over his fifth wheel. Probably leaves it there year round. Hard to believe, holidays are coming up. Thanksgiving's almost on us. I'll be out of Quartzsite for a week or so after this. Gonna head up north a little bit. Up around Kingman. Spend the holiday up there. Alright, well, let's cruise over to Miners Depot. This is Queuing in the mighty Tyson Wash. Monsoon rains, it floods in the summer, and in the wintertime, oh boy. Get some heavy rains. This thing's like a raging river. Be real careful when you park here, like where that motorhome is. You can get stuck here in a hurry. This gravel is loose. A lot of people get stuck with a tow truck. Oh, let's see what's happening at Tyson Wells. Vendors are slowly setting up, especially the big guys, the seasonal guys. Right there on the right, that's Tyson Wells Game Store. Those tents right there on the left, that's K&K Kitchens. Old Kevin, he's getting ready. And as always, K&B Tool, he's going. That tent on the left, that's a solar outfit. Looks like there's low activity now at Prospectors. Those metal buildings, that's a separate showground right here on the right. It's called Prospectors Showgrounds. They always set up late. Kind of different, but they have a lot of rock people back in there. Kind of cool to walk it. We'll do it this year. Alright, this is Central Avenue. Cruise over the bridge. This is one busy highway. I've seen quite a few license plates from up north. Canadians are coming. Here's the big intersection, Main and Central. We got a green light. Got some vendors setting up there in the corner this year. It's different. And that rock guy there on the right, he's been there forever. Just a different vibe this year. You can feel the energy. You can feel a lot more people are here. Totally different than last year when all the pandemic stuff was in full blown going. But this year's different, which is good. Should be a good busy winter here. I know all the vendors are looking forward to it. Tyson Wells, he's getting sold out on his vending places for the big shows. I have no clue about the Big Tent, but they still might have openings. If you're interested, if you're a vendor, I'd be calling now. I wouldn't wait. Okay, right here on the left, here is Miners Depot. Good old Blake and Lisa, the Harmons. They opened a gold mining camp up in Alaska too. We'll hear all about it. Yay! Look at it. Got all of his old stuff out for sale. He's open. There's the Dusty Nugget. Van's over there. Okay, let's go on in. Whoa, look at this. Miners Depot is for sale. Wow. Hey Blake, you hiding in here?
What's up, Russ? How's it going?
Blake.
Long time no see, my friend.
What's up with the sign on the door?
Well, I was just sick and tired of you, and I just decided the only way to get away from you 100% was to go to Alaska, because you can't drive there right now.
You can't hide from me. I'll go up there and find you. So tell me about the sale.
So yeah, we've been here 10 years now, and we decided to go ahead and make the move to be full-time Alaska with the gold mine. We have a gold camp that we've been building for 2 years where people can come up by the week and stay with us, eat with us, mine with us, find their own gold and have a good time. And that opens up this summer, and we're also going to be taking on a new venture that will be public here shortly that I'm excited to share with you too. But there's plenty enough up there for us to keep busy, so we decided it's time to pass the torch on to somebody else down here at Quartzsite.
So that'll be summer of 22?
Summer of 22. It's Skookum Gold Camp, that's what it's called. And it's going to be a lot of fun. There's good gold out there to be found. We actually broke a record this year. We found the largest nugget ever found on that creek. So we're hoping there's bigger ones out there yet. It's the creek that we're mining on, and they don't produce a lot of large nuggets on that creek. It's more of just a good consistent gold creek. Refined flakes and little nuggets and pickers and things like that, but not generally any big nuggets. And although we didn't hit our goals this year, as far as total quantity of gold, we did find a really nice large piece, and this is the biggest nugget we've ever found. And
look at that. Wow.
And it's also the biggest nugget ever found on the creek.
What's it weigh?
This thing weighs 1.65 ounces. And when Lisa found it, it was trained right out of the box. So if you got a little bit of creativity, set this guy down and you'll see a bear walking. Isn't that cool?
Isn't that cool? How about that?
So,
but even though you're for sale, you're still open, right?
Oh, we're still open all winter. We're hoping to either find somebody who wants to carry the torch and run the business for us, or somebody who maybe wants to pursue their dream of being self-employed. Like I said, we've been here 10 years and like to think we gave this place a good reputation, and we're excited to see that continue with whoever comes in after us.
If they buy this place, what's included?
Well, we're selling the whole package. There's 1/3 of an acre sitting here where the property's at. You get the storefront. There's a park model house, 2 trailers, a 40-foot shipping container. Includes all the inventory, which is metal detectors, all kinds of prospecting equipment, and we'll train whoever takes over as well to make sure that when they're completely taking over the business, they're confident that they can take care of the customers as good as they should. So we got a lot of stuff here, and we're getting more stuff in daily, and we're going to keep running the show just like we normally would until we head north.
Plus, they'll have availability to your pay dirt, won't they?
Yeah, well, our pay dirt's gotten a little bit famous here this last year. Obviously, you guys watch YouTube, and I think we've had 20 or 30 pay dirt reviews. Okay,
Blake, so if they're interested in working with you, purchase business, how they can get a hold of you, get some more information on all this?
Well, if you're local, you can come stop by here and pay us a visit, which we'd like anyways. You can also give me a call if you have any questions too. We've got an 800 number. It's 1-866-GO-DIG-GO. So that's easy to remember, 866-GO-DIG-GO. That'll go right to my cell phone, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have.
Hey, you gonna be at the Gold Show this year?
That's the plan, even if I leave for Alaska before that. We'll still be down for the Gold Show this year. We're hoping it's gonna be bigger than ever. We're gonna have more vendors, hopefully more seminars, a lot more exciting stuff going on. And every year it seems to grow and get better when more people come, and rumors are this year will be better yet.
All right. Well, all right, Blake. Well, wish you luck.
Thanks, bud.
See you soon.
All right.
Well, there you go. If you're looking to get into the gold business, pretty good little opportunity. This place is busy through the winter season, and you are surrounded by gold country. All right. Journey continues. Talk soon.